you are requested to find the value of alpha. So this alpha is requested. So as this shown here, what is given 30 degrees, 80, and this side is equal to this side. If this side is equal to this side, that means this side, this angle will be 30 degrees because it is an isosceles triangle. If two sides are equal, it is an isosceles triangle. So this angle will be 30 degrees. So 30 is 30, and this one is just unknown. So that means 180 degrees minus 2 times 30 plus 80. It would be 180 minus 60 plus 80. 180 minus 140, it will be 40 degrees. So this is 40 degrees. Then after that, what you are going to do, just you have to find this degree. It's possible to find this value, right? So that means this one is totally 30 plus 40. This is totally 70 degrees. Then 40, 70, 180 minus 40 plus 70. It will be 180 minus, right, 110. Then it will be 70 degrees, right? So this means 70 degrees. So if you consider this triangle, if this one is 70, this one is 70, that means two angles are just similar. So that means if two angles are similar, the triangle is just an isosceles triangle. Two sides of this triangle are equal. So this side must be equal to this side since two angles are equal, 70, 70. Opposite sides are equal. So opposite to this 70 degrees, this side is equal to opposite to this angle, which is this side. If this one is equal to this one, that means this side is also equal to this side. So if it is like that, then we can calculate the other side, just 80 plus alpha, right? If this one is alpha, that means this one is also alpha. So that means 2 alpha is equal to 180 degrees, right? 80 plus this one will be, this is alpha, so that means this side is also totally alpha, right? So 80 plus 2 alpha, 180. 2 alpha is equal to 180 minus 80, and 2 alpha is just 100, and alpha is equal to 100 over 2, which is 50 degrees, right? So that means this one is 50 degrees. In total, this one is 50 degrees. 50 minus 30, this one will be 20 degrees. 30 plus 20, 50. So this one is 50. So the value of alpha is just 50 degrees.